I'm standing here with the legendary builder, Chris Ryan. He's with Ryan's Rod and Custom. So you have a pretty interesting backstory about this build. Tell us about it.
Sure, it's a little bit different. This is actually a Craigslist find. Belonged to Susan Hayward, the actress from the 40s and 50s, the redheaded bombshell, thus the name the Scarlet Lady. I wanted to build this car like the legends would have, the Barrises, the Winfields, in the late 60s or the early 70s. So we started with chopping the top 2 inches, dehatted it 3/4 of an inch, stretched the quarters, stretched the rockers, tons of metal mods on this car, just little subtle metal mods. Then we topped it off with some PPG crystallines, glass flake, and candy. Under the hood, we have a Ford Racing Coyote, obviously with the Ron Francis harness, a Coyote harness on it, with the 6R80 transmission that y'all reprogrammed for us and did a jam-up job. The tech service is second to none from Ron Francis. The wheels Mike Curtis did for us. They're actually a 20-inch wheel that looks like a white wall, but it's all one piece of billet. Chuck Hanna and his guys at Hot Rod Interiors always do a jam-up job for us. We put 64, 65 T-Bird seats in it. We have a 61 Chrysler letter car, Astrodome dash, relocated in the center, a 61 Plymouth steering wheel, and some one-off pedals from Dan at Illumicraft.
Let's talk about the steering wheel because it's very sparkly and very shiny. Was this all your idea?
Well, no, Dennis Cooks out of California did that for us. It's an original 61 Plymouth wheel that he recast. We painted it the metal flake, and then he put the flake in the resin.
Let's talk about the rear. So when you go to the back, you pop the trunk. Tell people what they can expect to see.
Sure, obviously we have Batman suspension with Ride Tech Air Ride on this car, but we didn't want everybody to see the Air Ride. So we got some vintage Fender amplifier cases and surrounded our Ride Tech Air Ride with that. We also have a matching Stratocaster in the rear.
Well, you've done a great job on this. I know you are a very, very busy man when it comes to SEMA. If people want to find out more about this build, where can they go?
Sure, you can check us out on Instagram and Facebook at ryansrodandcustom.com.
All right, congratulations. Give me a high five for being awesome.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.